Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be doing some math problems with subtraction. You will need your yellow math notebook and a pencil. Please go ahead and turn to a clean page in your math notebook. You may pause this video at any time if you need more time. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get started. In your yellow notebook, I want you to write this subtraction problem exactly as it is written here. We are taking 25 from 41. Please note that our larger number is on top. Go ahead and write your tens and ones chart. Please pause the video until you have written it down and you're ready to continue. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and solve. Since I'm taking 25 away from 41, I know that my answer has to be less than 41. Because when we subtract, we are taking away. Our numbers get smaller. We are going to be using base 10 blocks to subtract today. So the first thing we're going to do is draw out our larger number, 41. How many tens do we have? 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones do I have? 1. Now it says we're going to take away 25. I am not going to draw out 25 because I don't want to combine them. I want to take 25 away. I'm going to start by looking at the number in my ones place. So I'm going to start right here looking at this 5. Can I take 5 from 1? Let's go ahead and try. Nope, I only have 1. So where am I going to find more ones? We're going to go next door to our tens place. I can see that I have 10, 20, 30, 40. I am going to take one of these tens away and I am going to move it to my ones place. So here I go. I'm going to add my 10. I'm going to use a different shape so I can make sure I can tell the difference between my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice I used my imaginary 10 frame. This is going to be important. I just moved my 10 over here. How many tens do I have left? 10, 20, 30. So let's go ahead and cross out this 40 and turn it into 30 to reflect the difference. And of course, we moved 10 over here. So we are adding plus 10. We no longer just have 1 in the ones place. We now have 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. Now that we have regrouped, boys and girls, we can go ahead and take our 5 away. We're taking 5 away from 11. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones do I have left? 5 plus 1 is 6. I'm going to go ahead and put that 6 in the ones place. Now I'm going to go and take away my tens place. I'm taking 20 away from 30. So let's go ahead and do that. 10, 20. How many tens do I have left? I have 1 10 left. So my answer is 16. How can I double check my work? To double check my work, boys and girls, I can just add 25 plus the answer. If I'm correct, When I add these two numbers together, I should get 41. So let's see. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry my 10, put my ones down. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Yep, they match. 41, 41. All right, boys and girls, you are going to be doing the next one on your own, and then I will be showing you how to solve it. Go ahead and write this problem down and solve. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and solve this problem. We are going to take 17 from 54. Just like before, I want to draw out my larger number. That would be 54. How many tens? 50. Oh dear. 1 second, boys and girls. All right, let's try that again, shall we? How many tens? 50. There's lots of hitting wrong buttons. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many ones? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to take 17 away from 54. We're going to start in our ones place. 7 from 4. Can I take 7 from here? No, there isn't enough. So I'm going to go to my tens place. I see I have 50 tens. I'm going to take 10 away and move it over to my ones. So I no longer have 50 tens. I now have 40. And let's go ahead and add our 10. I'm going to continue my imaginary 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can see I have 10 plus 4, that's 14. So I no longer just have 4, I now have 14. And boys and girls, notice all I did was add 10 to 4. And 4 plus 10 is 14. Now I can take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? I have 7 left. I'll put the 7 in my ones place. Now I'm going to take 10 away from 40. How many tens do I have left? 1, 2, 3. 37. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and start working on your next problem. We are going to take 24 from 50. All right, let's go ahead and solve this. First, we're going to draw out 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we're going to draw it out as 0. Oh, look, I don't have to do anything because 0 means nothing. Now I want to take away 24. Can I take 4 from nothing? No, there isn't anything here. So I need to go to my tens place. I'm going to go ahead and grab a 10, and I'm going to bring it on over. If I started with 50, I now just have 40. So change your 50 to a 40, and I'm going to bring my 10 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now can I take 4 from 10? And make sure you go ahead and do this here. Bring your 10 over. 0 plus 10 is 10. Can I take 4 from 10? I sure can. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? 6. Can I take 2 from 40? I sure can. 10, 20. How many do I have left? 10, 20. The answer is 26. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and look at our next problem. We're going to be taking 17 from 92. Go ahead and set it up and solve. All right, boys and girls, to solve this problem, we're going to go ahead and draw out 92 using our base 10 blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2. Now, can I take 7 from 2? No, I cannot. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a 10, and I'm going to be bringing it over to my ones place. I no longer have 90. I now have 80. And I have grabbed my 10 and I'm bringing it over here. So I'm going to be adding 10 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can see my group of 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So I'm going to change this to a 12. Now I can take 7 from 12. Let's go ahead and do so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oopsie, I almost went one too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 5. Now I'm going to be taking 10 from 80. How many 10s do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your answer is 75.